All right, welcome back. So today we got a basically a car diagnosis. I've been looking at this for basically like 2 days now, and basically had me and my brain frustrated for a while. So basically the customer complaint was basically crank no start, nothing, just the dash light up and nothing else. So right now, of course, I got the car started, but I'm gonna send y'all through the diagnosis of what I was doing. So let me pop the hood. So I had started as, okay, it's not cranking and it's not starting. So check the battery first and the battery connection, okay, and the ground connection. I checked it. Checked the voltmeters. It read good. Take the terminals off. Make sure no corrosion. And it wasn't none. So I crossed that out. So after that, I went to the starter. I tested the starter relay. It was good. The control side was faulty, and I'm like, okay, let me test the power side. And I basically used a jumper, a fuse jumper, and basically jumped the power. I'll show you right now, actually. Show you what I'm talking about. Because this might confuse some people. Because some people who might had the same diagnosis. See, she misfiring. She definitely misfiring. But she had a misfire beforehand, so. Alright, now to this fuse spot, fuse panel in the front, okay? So I tried the starter. I tested the solenoid. The solenoid and it was good. I tested it. You know, it was voltage getting to it. It wasn't no problem. I went to the crank sensor. The crank sensor was getting no voltage. And I was like, okay. What about the starter relay? I checked the starter relay right here, and basically it had, this is the control side and this is the power side, okay, because it's 4 pins. So I used this to turn over the starter, and it actually turned over the starter, so I knew the starter wasn't the problem. So I actually came up with my multimeter, and I figured out which one was the power. Basically, it was the constant power and another constant power, and these was basically control PCM ground, and this was like just constant ground. So with that said, I looked on here and I said, okay, let's check the fuses, okay? The Nixon E fuse is 22, and that's 22 right there. So Nixon E is right there. I checked it. It was fine. The resistance on there was fine. Okay, so I was like, maybe we gotta, I said, maybe let me check another, I said, no, maybe if I ain't getting no ground to this to make my relay click, so it's no ground to the PCM. So I said, okay, where's the PCM at? Right there, 28. I went to 28 on here. Where is 28? It's the very first one. This is a 15 amp one. Replace it with the 15 amp one. Then that was good. So that wasn't a problem. So this was the problem. The 10, PCM 10, B 20 amp. And it's right here. So it's next to 41. So it's this one right there, the 20 amp. So in this case, the car basically, I don't know what happened or what happened with it or how it happened like that. It's basically, the fuse was basically, it wasn't in there. In y'all cases, the fuse might be blown. So I hope this helps any of y'all in any way. So, you know, I try to let everybody know, like, there's many simple ways you can test a car, you know. You just don't have to just start throwing parts at it, you know. You know, it's many videos that you can research on YouTube and actually learn how to diagnose things, you know. And it's not hard, it's just time, and, you know, it's the willingness to learn. Yeah, it's cold out here. I'm a hustler. I'm gonna get it out. I'm gonna get out here and do it. So, you know. But, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and, you know, it's gonna be a lot of things coming to my channel. I hope everybody stay with me. I hope everybody stay blessed and have a, you know, great week, a good day. It's the weekend now, so stay tuned.